Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through creating your first map with the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in the P10, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the Mova home map right here. We have our P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 selected. We're going to hit the bottom left-hand corner, that big M enter button, that's tan or beige. Now it's going to take us into the app. It's going to take a second to load. So we're into the app right here for the first time, hit agree. It walks us through a little checklist here. You can enable or disable certain features as you see fit, up to you what you want to do or use. But it walks us through a quick little tutorial. Update firmware if you can, I highly recommend that. But front and center on this screen, you'll notice we don't have a map populated. We want to hit that center beige button that says Start Fast Mapping. And it'll take 5 or 10 minutes at the most, depending on the size of your house. Go ahead. Walk through this checklist. Make sure you open all the room doors of every area you want to be mapped. This is the time to do that. So get your environment exactly how it should be and then do your mapping run. Put the station and the dock exactly where you want it, all of that. Hit OK. Now it's going to start mapping. It'll drive around the house. It'll come back to the station. Then it'll finish populating the map. All right, it's been 6 minutes and it's returning to the dock right now as we speak to charge. You can see our map so far, but once it's back in the charging station, we'll give it a second and you'll notice that things will change. Then we can edit our map or keep it as it is. It just had a voice prompt, mapping completed. And here we go. We can correct or adjust now, but that looks great to me. That's exactly how I'd want it. So I'm gonna hit correct. And there's our map. Look at how detailed it is. The naming isn't right, but we can change some of that. But that looks really, really good. If we needed to edit it outside of that option there, near the top right-hand corner, there's a little map and a pencil icon. We could select that, and that brings us to all of our mapping editing options. And for those wondering, this also supports multi-level mapping. So go back into that map edit icon at the bottom, multi-floor map management. You can adjust single or multi-floor for your house type. And then down at the bottom, there's another option to create a new map that way. So that's how you add additional maps upstairs, downstairs. You get the idea. You create another map right there and go through the whole setup process again. But simple and straightforward to create a map with the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2.